Good morning students. In our previous class we discussed about various types of operators like membership operators, relational operators, logical operators, etc. Today we learn about identity operator. As you know that operator is the symbol and it perform operations on operands. Identity operator compare the memory location of two objects, and the identity operators are is and is not. Is returns the true if two variables point the same object, as false. For example, A is B. Now A and B both are pointing to the same location. Is not second identity operator is not. It returns true if the two variables pointing to the different objects. For example, A is not B means the memory location of A and B are different. If the memory location of A and B are different, then is not operator returns true, otherwise false. For example, we have taken two variables A and B, and the value of A is 34 and the value of B is also 34. Now apply the operator on them. If A is B, print both and A and B has same identity, as print A and B has different identity. Now when we run this program, we get both A and B has same identity, A and B has different identity. Now see, memory address of a variable str equals to India and str2 is equals to India. Now compare both. str1 is equals to str2, true. Now str is str2, true, because they are pointing to the same location. str1 and str2 both have the same values, so they are comparing to the same location, so it returns true. Now in the example, if A is B, print both A and B has same identity. And then we have also changed the value of B. Now B is pointing to 99. When we compare A and B has different identity, it display A and B has different identity. So in this way, is and is not operator will perform, means is will gives true if both the variables are pointing to the same memory location, and is not gives true when both the variables are not pointing to the same memory location. Now this is the operator precedence. Highest precedence is to lowest precedence table. Precedence is used to decide which operator is to be taken first for the evaluation when two or more operators came in the expression. Now the precedence is highest precedence is of exponent sign, a raised to the power. Then we have a tilde, a complement, unary, plus, minus, and these methods are names for the last two, AR plus at and minus at. Then we have the precedence of multiply, divide, modulus, and floor division. Then plus minus, binary addition and subtraction. Then we have a right and left bitwise shift. Then bitwise and, then bitwise exclusive or and regular or. Then we have a comparison operators, then equality operators, then we have the assignment operators, then is not identity operator, and then not in membership operators, not or and logical operators. In last precedence have logical operators. So this is the operator's precedence. Now the bare bone of a Python program. A Python program contains the following components: expression, statements, comments, function, block, and indentation. See, this is the bare bone of a program. Here hash if we want to define a comment, comments are ignored by the interpreter and they are used to make a program more readable, and the comments are given by using the hash symbol. Then we define the function by using a def keyword. Functions are the group of statements which are designed to perform a specific task. Then we have a indentation. Indentations are used in blocks, and means if you want to create a block and you want to show that following statements are in a particular block, then we use indentation. Then we have a expression. Expression a equals to 20, this is an expression. Then we have a statements in a program, like we have use a print function to print some display some message on the screen. So these are the statements. First of all, expression which is evaluated and produce the result. For example, we have 20 plus 4 divided by 4, it's a expression. So we can say that expression is a collection of operands and operators. Then we have a statements. Statements are the instructions which we give to do something. For example, we have taken a equals to 20, print calling in the proper sequence. So we are declaring, we are giving the instructions. So these instructions are known as statements. Then we have a comments. Comments are used to make a program more readable, and comments are ignored by the Python interpreter. There are different types of comments. Single line comment, which are begin with a hash sign. Then we have a multi-line comments. Multi-line comments are also known as docstring. Means when you have to give the comment in a 2 or a 3 lines, or you have to write a paragraph, then we use multi-line comment. And it starts with begin with triple quotes like this. Triple quotes, this is my first Python multi-line comment. Then triple quotes close. Then we have a function, a code that has some name and that can be reused. ठीक है, हम फंक्शन को वी कैन यूज रीयूज अ फंक्शन, एंड फंक्शंस आर द ब्लॉक ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स और द ग्रुप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स विच आर डिजाइंड टू परफॉर्म अ पर्टिकुलर task. Then we have a blocks and indentation, and these are the group of statement. A block is a group of statement, and indentation at the same level create a block. Means if we want to create a block, we want to show the show that from where our block will start and where it will be end, we use indentation. So like in C or a C++, we used braces to define a particular block, but in Python we use indentation for defining a particular block. By default, the indentation is of 4 places. Mostly the indentation is of 4 places. So this is the bare bone of a Python program. Thank you.